be all right. Hello? What?
Oh, sorry. It's just that some nitwit is trying to destroy the jar district. Oh, my jars. Oh, my precious jars.
We'll be right there.
Please don't say we have to leave.
A nitwit is trying to destroy the jar district. But that's the lifeblood of this town.
He can't take our jar district. We have to leave. We need to leave.
Right. Hiccups or not, Townsville needs... Let's just go.
And if you look to your left, you'll see the infamous Jar District.
The lifeblood of this town.
Ooh, I can't wait to see the Wax Jar Museum.
Little Nicky hates jars. Whoa! What's that?
Citizens of Townsville, it is I, the Gnat! For far too long, I, the Gnat, have been carved in jars by pathetic humans for entertainment and vaguely educational purposes. But no longer. I shall smash every jar in Townsville and have my revenge. Why, you ask? It's simple.
What's he saying?
I don't know. What did he say his name was again?
And soon, you will all know the fury of the Gnat! Here we go. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Aha!
Not today, Nart.
What the? Powerpuff Girls! First of all, it's the Gnat. Second of all, get out of my way! Move! Move, 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 move.